So I picked me up a used tractor and I used it for a little bit and it started having some fuel problems. I could tell it was starving for fuel. And this is why. As you can see, the fuel filter is so nasty, it's already collapsing. Now this is one of the fuel filters. This is an inline fuel filter. Well, the OEM manufacturer wanted $20 for this. And I, expected it was going to be expensive, but I thought that was ridiculous. So I picked this up for a fifth of that. And this is just the same kind of fuel filter. It's an inline fuel filter, not much to it. All it's doing is filtering the big stuff out of the fuel before it gets to the real fuel filter that does water separation and everything. So I thought this was kind of crazy. Let me get this out of the box and let you see the difference. And here you go. This is the fuel filter from FRAM out of the box, and that is the one before. I mean, I would say this one actually looks higher quality than this one does, but should do the exact same thing for 20% of the price. The good thing is I could easily get a hold of this. They didn't even have this in stock. They had to order it. The other thing is I did have somewhat of a hard time finding 5/16 filters. There's a lot of 1/4 and 3/8, things like that. But there actually is a difference between a 3/8 and a 5/16 when it comes to trying to squeeze something into a hose. I found another filter that was 3/8, thinking I would be able to jam it into that 5/16 hose, and that was basically a nightmare trying to get it in that tight hose. This one is going to slide right in because it's the exact size. So that's the other thing, 5/16. All right, well, I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.